7 tips on how to write a haiku like professionals. If you're planning to write a haiku as a part of your college assignment, here are 7 tips on how to write a haiku as professional writers. A haiku is a short 3-line poem of 5 to 7 5-syllable structure. The development of haiku took place in Japan by the nature writers. Here are a few tips to follow while writing a haiku. Tip 1. Number brainstorm for ideas to write a haiku. Stroll in a park, focus on object, person, surrounding things, and read about haiku ideas. Tip 2. Number follow the correct line and syllable structure of a haiku. Write a haiku with strict form, 3 lines with a 5 to 7 5-syllable structure. Tip 3. Number no need to follow a rhyming scheme. A haiku has no rhythm, so you can stick to the syllable count and not use a rhyming scheme. Tip 4. Number use sensory details. While writing a haiku, make use of detailed images and descriptions. Tip 5. Number make an intriguing conclusion. If you make use of an intriguing conclusion that surprises the reader, it leaves a good impact on their mind. Tip 6. Number read aloud and do a sound check. After drafting a haiku, read it aloud to check if the rhythm is 5 to 7 5-syllable count or not. Tip 7. Number do the right placing of the haiku. At last, center the haiku on a paper in a way that it forms a diamond shape, which is a traditional haiku format. Thank you for watching. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com